Let's make some smash burgers. Let's make some smash burgers. Let's make some smash burgers with onions. Today we're doing smash burgers on a big green egg with a Lodge griddle. Will it work? Stick around and find out. I'm going to preheat this griddle to about 450 inside the egg, and then we'll put our smash burgers on. Let's check our temps on this griddle. Ooh, 539, ready to go. We're going to toast our buns first with a little bit of butter on the griddle. It only takes a minute or less to toast these buns. Look at that, just right. We'll set these aside for now. Let's throw down some onions. Bring in our burger. We're going to put that right on top of the onions. We've already covered it with some salt and pepper. And now we smash. Now we smash the other one. Really smear it in there good. Let's let a crust form. Oh yeah, I think we're ready to flip, folks. You see we've got some holes here in the center. That's quite all right. And this crunch around the edge is... Look at that beautiful crust. The crust is a must. The crust is a must. Oh, baby. Some salt and a pepper. Get it ready for cheese. Sometimes you see these called Oklahoma burgers because they're cooked with the grilled onions. All right, let's put it on a bun. They're thin like this. We make doubles. Oh, baby. I'm going to call this Beautimus. Put your top on. We can add some toppings, whatever toppings you like. If you don't want anything but just burger, you can do it just like this. I got to take a bite. I can't wait on condiments. I got to take a bite. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it is cheesy, meaty goodness.